Don't take it personal, I ain't lying.
Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrienne. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. And if you are already one of my beautiful subbies, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So as you see by the title, I will be showing you some of my favorite IKEA home pieces. Now, I will be showing you a few videos from the actual IKEA store of the items. However, some of those prices that you see are not all the prices that I paid. As a matter of fact, I'm not sure any of those prices that are showing today, maybe with the exception of my shoe cabinet, is what I actually paid. So again, I am an avid IKEA shopper and I absolutely love their pieces. Well, a lot of the pieces that I chose, I actually love. I'm not gonna say I love every IKEA piece. However, they do have a lot to offer. If you've never been there and you have one near you, because they are not everywhere, please take the time out to go visit one of the stores. Now, this is not sponsored. Maybe one day they will decide to sponsor your girl or something like that. But what I will say is make sure you have on some good walking shoes, because baby, IKEA is huge. It is huge. So I don't want you to go unprepared and say, Adrienne didn't tell me and warn me. Baby, I am warning you. Good, comfortable shoes. All right. So I hope this is a video that you will enjoy. I enjoyed making it because, again, IKEA is one of my favorite places to go. So get comfy, get you something to drink, a little water, a little tea, a little spirits, and enjoy this video. And I hope by the end of the video, if you are not already subscribed, you will decide to do so. All right, family, I love y'all. Peace and blessings, and enjoy. All right, family, so I am in IKEA and this is the Brim's media cabinet. One of my favorite pieces, and I'm gonna show you how I have it styled here at home. As you can see, it's in my living room and it's directly up under my TV, which I will show you shortly. Few pieces from looks like I got a few books in there from AliExpress, a few pieces from Home Goods, and I absolutely love the style of this media cabinet. It's probably one of my favorite pieces that I've purchased from IKEA. Here's my Visa. I believe I pronounced that right, and if you're not familiar with IKEA, all of their names are Swedish. This is my shoe cabinet. This is maybe not the last piece. I think the second to last piece that I have purchased from IKEA. I have it right here near the front door because we don't wear shoes in this house. As you can see, I'm showing you what it looks like on the inside. And I believe it holds about 8 pairs of shoes. Here's the Calyx, super popular bookshelf and pieces from IKEA. Love the Calyx bookshelf. And guys, I didn't notice that they had this glass door that was available. These are the Dronas. Again, I think I pronounced that right. The little black bins that you can use for storage in the Calyx. Here it is in my office. Doesn't that look good? Pat on my back. But no, this was I think I purchased this before the desk. Don't quote me. As you can see, I'm showing you those bins that you can use to hide a bunch of stuff in your bookshelf. But again, I believe I purchased this first from IKEA before my desk, which I'll show you shortly. Guys, this is another Calyx piece I forgot I even had it, so I don't have any IKEA footage for you for this, but it is also of the Calyx family. Love it. Very, very popular piece. It's the Alex drawers. They have different versions, but I do have the one that has the big file cabinet at the bottom. And if I haven't said it already, IKEA has very, very sturdy pieces, so they will last you a very long time. I've had all the pieces in the office with the exception of that Calyx piece I just showed you in the closet and one of my desks for a few years now. Here's the mom desk. It's my main workstation. As you can see, it has a drawer and one cabinet, which is the reason why I had that previous piece, as you can see right there on the left hand side, the Alex drawer. But the difference with my desk, if you notice, I did put contact paper on top just to give it a little razzle dazzle. Ordered that from Amazon. I love it. I love the, how it makes the desk look slightly different. Gives it a nice little look. But you're going to hear me say this throughout this entire video because I love everything about IKEA. So, great desk. Yeah. All right, Mickey. Here's my other desk in my office. And you'll see that it houses my iMac, my iPad, and a few other things as far as storage in the drawer. But this is where I do some editing for my videos. And I just needed it because I got a lot of desk equipment, computers. Needed the room. I don't even know what to say about this one. The Brims TV console. This was the last piece that I've purchased. And I don't know, between my media cabinet and this TV console, I don't know which one I love the most, but they're close, 1 and 2. Oh my goodness, I am so happy I held out and waited for this piece because it was out of stock for a while. I got it for a great price. It was on sale and I am extremely happy with it. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I do use this as my dresser. And it's all that I need, and I absolutely love the look of it. Now, I'm not even gonna waste my time trying to pronounce that because no way. But I love these storage bins. Absolutely love these storage bins. They are sturdy, heavy duty. And I use them everywhere from the kitchen to my pantry to my linen closet, as you can see right here. They're just perfect for storage. They're clean, sleek. Of course, I had to get black and white, and when they came out with the green and white, oh, hey, that was a no-brainer, and you all know why. Look, I have to consistently keep these in the house. I use these for my dishes. I love them, and for a great price, as you could see, in the previous clip. So, yeah, they're a staple here in this house. Now, the infamous Hobbit mirror. Oh my goodness. If you're ever on TikTok, ever on YouTube, you'll hear plenty of people speak of this mirror. And I have the black one in my bedroom. This was not the plan at first because in a moment you'll see that I have the silver one. But again, if you watch my videos, you'll know the reason why I have two of these mirrors, okay? Absolutely love this black. Of course, it goes with the theme of my home and it's a perfect fit for my bedroom. Here's the silver one. The silver one is the one I purchased first. It is now housed in my living room. Isn't she beautiful? Girl. But the reason for two mirrors is there was an incident in my previous home where a bullet came through my bedroom window. And as you can see the hole right there, yeah, didn't want to get rid of this mirror for that. So I'm attempting to hide it with that vase right there. And I just decided to keep it. Hey, it looks good to me. What you think? Yeah, so again, the infamous Hovet mirror. Now, these are extremely popular as well. The Ribba frame. IKEA has great frames. If you're in need of picture frames and for a excellent price, IKEA is your place. I'm telling you. I would not steer you wrong. As you see, I have them in my foyer and all throughout the home as well. These are some of my pillow covers and the pillow inserts. I don't buy a bunch of pillows, guys. I buy pillow inserts and I switch out the covers. As you can see right here, here are the black covers with those inserts here on my bed. And in a moment, you'll be able to see how I have those same inserts in the pillow covers. And when it's time for me to switch out to different styles of covers, I can do that without buying brand new pillows. Yeah, my little tip from me to you. Here are bathroom mats. Sorry that the camera was a different angle. But here's the one that I use in the master bathroom over the tub. I also use it in front of the shower when needed. And here's the one in my guest bathroom. So they do the job. And again, for a great price. Now, their dishes, their bowls, a good quality, guys. Now these are a different quality from that bowl I just showed you. However, they do the job. It's a no-brainer for me. And here they are here in the home. I have the plates, the bowls. I'm not going, it's no need to spend a lot of money if you don't have to. Yeah. IKEA has everything that you need. So as y'all can see, I probably have just given up on some of the names. But hey, at least I'm giving you the names and you can go look for them. You can search for them on the website. You guys, this stainless steel bowl is huge. I'm not sure if the camera is doing it any justice, but I love it for mixing. That's it, fam. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.